Let's unplug from the matrix for just a second. I mean, fully unplug from what we consider life to be. And I want you to consider all that has been created. Let's think about the birds and how they fly in the air and they never question whether or not there's enough air and enough sky for them to fly in, or if it's overcrowded. Or the fish that's in the seas and how they never question if there's enough water for them to survive in. Or any animal that roams the land and they are looking for what they need to eat and how they do so, expecting to find what they need to find. The same way this earth has been created in a way where if you cut into a fruit, there's so many seeds in it. And so now there is exponential potential for how much this one fruit can now produce for you. Or if you look at a tree and it's one tree, but it has produced so many leaves and so many fruits on that one tree that there is now infinite potential, exponential potential for how many more trees can be planted and many more fruits can be planted. Or how the food that you eat, the animals, the fish or the land animals that you eat, and how they produce when they produce, and how they produce in schools of fish, how they produce in a multitude of offsprings, so that in one creature, there's exponential potential for how much more it can provide for you. You don't ever question if there's enough air. There's plenty. There's plenty of trees creating the oxygen to provide you the air that you need. There's plenty of land. There's plenty of water. The way this earth has been created is the same way it's been created for the birds in the air and the fish in the sea and the animals on the land. It's the same as been created for you with exponential potential, so that you don't have to worry about where your next meal is, so that you don't have to worry about whether or not you have enough water or air or anything. You don't wonder if the sun is going to rise in the morning. It just does. Or if the moon is going to show up at night. It just does. When we pull back from the matrix in the systems that humans have created and the systems that we currently now live in, you begin to realize how much you have at your fingertips and how much abundance you have access to. And so, friend, I'm here to remind you that you are abundant. You were created abundant and you will always be abundant. There's nothing that can stop you from being abundant. You, the humans who have treated this earth in such a way where we feel like there's scarcity in whatever, water, food, whatever it is, but there really wasn't. There was enough for all of us. So I want you to begin to walk in a way where you begin to expect, the same way the birds expect for there to be enough sky and the fish expect there to be enough water for them. I want you to walk in your world expecting the best for you, expecting the greatest for you, expecting abundance for you. This is the second phase of manifestation. The first is asking for what you want and believing that what you want can occur. Beginning to find yourself moving into an identity that allows you to say, this is possible for me. And so from that possibility, I'm now asking for what I want. But the second phase, friend, is your ability to trust and believe that everything that you ever wanted and that you can ever ask for is here for you. And you can expect it to happen for you. That level of expectation, I want you to bring it down to your soul level. Disconnect from the matrix for just one moment so that you can connect with that possibility within yourself to see that the desire would not have been in you if it were not possible. Expect good things to happen to you, good things to happen for you. Expect it. Expect it like the grounds that you walk on, that every step that you take, you expect there to be more ground as you walk. Expect it like when you sit on a chair, you expect that chair to hold your weight and hold you up. Expect it, because that is the only way you're going to manifest. It is the only way you're going to access what God has for you on this earth, because this is your way of asking the universe. He doesn't want you to beg. He doesn't want you to plead. He wants you to expect it. Expect it. Because in the expectation, there is a knowing and there's a believing that's inserted, embedded in that. And you need to start to expect. Unplug from the matrix. Unplug from fear, worry, anxiety, depression, angst. Unplug from it. And allow yourself to drop in and feel what it would feel like for you to have it tangible in your hands. That is absolutely possible. Like the moment when you're hungry and that fruit falls right off the tree. Expect it. That the universe is ready to provide everything that you're looking for, that you're asking for at your will. Expect it. Because the moment you doubt, the moment you give in into worry, the moment you give in into fear, the moment you give into you thinking that it's not possible, it won't be. Because that's how powerful you are. That's how powerful you are. That whatever you believe is. You create your reality. You create your world. You are creating your future. Expect it. So I'm just here as a reminder for you to just take a moment to unplug from the matrix and see life for what it is. See life for how God created it. And ask yourself, can I access this? And dare yourself to access it. Dare yourself to be what you are wanting to be, to go after the very thing that you desire, because it's not outside of arm's reach. It's within your grasp. It's within your reach. Dare yourself. Unplug. And feel what it feels like to have it. Not just desire it, but to have it in hand, on your body, in your environment. To have it in front of you. To feel it. It's in your presence. Don't doubt yourself, friend. Don't doubt yourself. You malevolent being. You awesome human being. You, the greatest creation that the world has ever created. You beautiful creature. You loving individual. You worthy human being. Placed on this earth to become and to be and to inspire and aspire. That's all that I have for you today. Just unplug.